Heart is a very important part of our body. So it is our duty to keep it healthy. How we can keep our heart healthy? For that, we need to eat healthy food. We must eat lots of fruits like papaya, orange, and green vegetables and different vegetables. We must avoid junk food, not only junk food but also oily food. Junk food increase the risk of high blood pressure. We must avoid eating fat rich food in a large quantity. Fat increases the rate of heart attack. Fats get deposited in our arteries and this create difficulties for the easy flow of blood. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Suppose you are drinking mango juice with the help of a straw and suddenly a small piece of mango pulp got stuck into your straw. Obviously, it will be difficult as it will block the straw and you will have to apply lot of force to drink the juice. Similarly, fats also block the passage of blood. So we should avoid fat rich food like chips, ghee, oil, butter in a large amount. We must eat a balanced diet. It supplies all the required nutrients which makes our body healthy. Sleep is also very important factor to keep your heart healthy. If you do not sleep enough, there is a high risk of heart attack. Then some people they have smoking habit. That is also very bad for our heart. We must avoid smoking. Along with diet, exercise also play a very important role to keep your heart healthy. You can do cycling, running, swimming, play outdoor games and you can dance also. Exercise is not only good for your heart but it is also good for your whole body. You can become more active after doing exercise. We must keep ourselves stress free. To keep ourselves stress free, we can do yoga and meditation. Some exercises for your healthy heart. Yoga to keep the heart healthy. Regular yoga helps to keep your body healthy and mind calm. Some examples of yoga given in your textbook are Tadasana, means mountain pose. It makes the heart strong and makes our body more flexible. It also helps to increase our height. So it is very good for the children. Second asana is Vrikshasana, that is tree pose. It helps to calm the mind and helps in healthy functioning of the heart. The next yogasana given in your textbook, that is Trikonasana, that is triangle pose. It helps to increase our stamina. This is Dhanurasana, means bow pose. It also helps to strengthen our heart. And one more is given Pranayama. This is an exercise to control our breathing. It is not only good for our heart, also for maintaining the overall health. Now there are some questions for you. I am giving you some time to write the answers. Question number 1 is, where is your heart located? Write down the question answer. What does your heart do? What other important organ is close to your heart? How many chambers are there in a human heart? What are the two upper and two lower chambers called? Write answers for these questions. I hope you all have written the answer or at least guessed the answer. Here are the answers. The first question was, where is your heart located? The heart is located in our chest cavity. The second question was, what does your heart do? Heart pumps the blood throughout our body. The third question was, what other important body part is close to your heart? The answer for this is lungs are close to our heart. How many chambers are there in a human heart? The answer for this is there are 4 chambers in our heart. Name the upper and lower 2 chambers of our heart. Answer is the upper chambers are called auricles and the lower chambers are called ventricles. I hope you have understood the chapter properly till now, the importance of heart and how we can keep our heart healthy. Now there is a homework for you. Read the chapter thoroughly and write a short notes on good habits to keep your heart healthy. These 2 things you will have to do at your home. Now in the end, some basic instructions. Follow the social distancing. Keep yourself clean. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water. Use sanitizer. Do not trouble your parents during this lockdown period. Don't be so demanding. Do something creative at home. Take care of yourself. Be happy. Be healthy. Stay home. Stay safe.